Today, we are going to compare the factory and static keyword in Flutter. Both are powerful, but they serve different purposes. Let's dive in. In Flutter, both factory and static keywords help manage object creation and class level functionality, but they do it in distinct ways. Let's start with the static keyword. The static keyword is used to declare class level variables and methods. These members belong to the class itself, not any particular instance of the class. Here's a simple example of static in action. In this example, the pi variable and calculate circle area methods are static. We access them using the class name, not an instance. Static members are great for shared data and utility methods. Now let's talk about the factory keyword. A factory constructor allows more control over object creation. It can return an instance of the class, a subtype, or an existing object. Here's an example of a factory constructor. In this example, the factory constructor person.fromJSON creates a person instance from a JSON map. It gives us flexibility in object creation. So what's the difference? Static is used for class level members accessed via the class name, idle for shared data and utility methods, whereas factory is used for factory constructors, providing more control over object creation, allowing for returning instances, subtypes, or existing objects. To summarize, use static for shared data, utility, and methods. Use factory for flexible object creation and managing complex initialization logic.